This 12-volt absorbed glass mat battery provides strong cranking power that reliably starts larger all-terrain vehicles, touring motorcycles, and utility machines even in demanding conditions. Its sealed, spill-resistant construction and absorbed glass mat design handle vibration very well, making it a dependable choice for off-road riding, snow use, and personal watercraft. The battery arrives fully charged, so installation is essentially a drop-in swap where you bolt it in and ride without needing to add acid or perform any initial charging. With capacity sized for repeated starts and accessory loads, it suits heavy touring bikes and high-displacement all-terrain vehicles that draw more power than smaller garden or scooter batteries. The case dimensions follow a very common powersports group size, which means it fits a wide range of motorcycles, side-by-sides, snowmobiles, and jet skis without modification. Overall, it feels like a solid, maintenance-free upgrade over traditional flooded designs, especially for riders who want dependable starting with minimal upkeep.